In this video, you're going to learn how to use NotebookLM to create a high-yield review that can cover practically anything that you can be tested on for a given lecture. My name is Curtis Wilkerson. At the time of this recording, I'm a second-year medical student. So, how can you create slides that look like this from a highly dense, complex lecture? This is from a lecture on malabsorption disorders from my medical school. And you can see it's created a high-yield 4-slide deck for me to study from. So how do we do this? We go to NotebookLM. Go to create a new notebook. We're going to use this one that we've already created here. And you go to add sources. This is where you add the PDF of your lecture. And then, if available to you, add the transcript from the actual live lecture that the professor gave for this. And once these have been uploaded, you will go ahead and copy paste this little command here and go ahead and look in the link in the description, and you can access this for free for your own use. Then you go into the Studio tab here, go to Slide Deck, and then you basically just paste this preformed command and you hit Generate. And of course, it's going to generate what we've already had here. And you can do this for any one of your lectures. And another thing that you can do, use the Customize Quiz function. I like to do 10 USMLE-style questions on the highest yield material, or you could do that or something similar. And it'll create a quiz. You can review the quiz just to demonstrate. As you can see, shows very nice questions for you to use and practice. All right. Hopefully you find this valuable. Good luck with your studies.